petals dancing caught in flight. The morning whispers golden glow. Spring awakens hearts in tone. Whispers of springtime soft and true. A waltz of blossoms, the world anew. Step by step through colors bright. In the warmth of a gentle light. The river hums its secret tune. Dreams unfolding beneath the moon. Laughter echoes sweet and pure. Moments fleeting yet so sure. Every leaf, every bloom, a story told, a life's perfume. Oh, whispers of springtime soft and true. A waltz of blossoms, the world anew. Step by step through colors bright. In the warmth of a gentle light. The harp sings softly, strings embrace. Time stands still in this tender space. A season's love, a fleeting show. Yet in our hearts it will ever glow. A breeze through the meadow soft and light. Petals dancing caught in flight. The morning whispers golden glow. Spring awakens hearts in tone. Whispers of springtime soft and true. A waltz of blossoms, the world anew. Step by step through colors bright. In the warmth of a gentle light. The river hums its secret tune. Dreams unfolding beneath the moon. Laughter echoes sweet and pure. Moments fleeting yet so sure. Every leaf, every bloom, a story told, a life's perfume. Oh, whispers of springtime soft and true. A waltz of blossoms, the world anew. Step by step through colors bright. In the warmth of a gentle light. The harp sings softly, strings embrace. Time stands still in this tender space. A season's love, a fleeting show, yet in our hearts it will ever glow. A breeze through the meadow soft and light, petals dancing caught in flight. The morning whispers golden glow, spring awakens hearts in tone. Whispers of springtime soft and true, a waltz of blossoms, the world anew. Step by step through colors bright, in the warmth of a gentle light. The river hums its secret tune, dreams unfolding beneath the moon. Laughter echoes sweet and pure, moments fleeting yet so sure. Every leaf, every bloom, a story told, a life's perfume. Oh, whispers of springtime soft and true, a waltz of blossoms, the world anew. Step by step through colors bright, in the warmth of a gentle light. The harp sings softly, strings embrace. Time stands still in this tender space. A season's love, a fleeting show, yet in our hearts it will